I was editing the video and I realized, is this really a vlog? Like, there's no transition language, there's no context of what's happening. So I wanted to come on here real fast. This is days after the shoot, but I wanted to give you guys some context. So originally I was supposed to record behind the scenes, what happens before a photo shoot, how I prep myself and my models. What I do is I reach out to them, I send them like a time and day, we hop on Zoom, and I show them a slideshow of like what I want out the shoot, the goal, objectives, and after that, when everyone agrees to everything, I follow up by sending them the sizes they'd be wearing that day, the TikToks they'd be making, links, context, so that they understand like the joke and like what's expected of everyone. But I wanted to show you guys that, and I wouldn't call this a vlog. We're gonna call this a video diary, because you'll see a couple seconds from now it's gonna go from regular camera to VHS camera. I did strictly vlog on my camcorder because I wanted that super vintage vibe for when I'm creating montages for social media. But this is the slideshow that I usually make when I'm having photo shoots. So here it is. As you can see, super cute, and honestly it's all about the mood boards. It really is. This just gives models some insights of what I'm going for before we get there. There's clarity of like how everything should turn out, the expectations, overall vibes, and I love making these. I honestly think it's one of my favorite parts. Obviously, besides coming up with ideas, or I wouldn't say designs because that's stressful, but my favorite part is creating mood boards for the girlies to know what I'm going for. And yeah, now we can hop in to the vlog.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Modesty princess!
We do have Beyonce in the building.
I think I would understand. I put my hijabi on in the morning and put on. What is going on? What is going on? Don't hate on me. Don't hate on me. Hating on my hijabi, y'all. Hijab things, y'all. Hijab things in it. If you don't have a hijab, get out the door.
What are you doing?
To the
What
door.
you doing?
To the window. Or to the door if you don't have a hijab on. To the wall.
We have Art by Zay in the building. Bag set up.
Hey, y'all.
Not yeah,
for sure.
Got the Air Jordans out.
The dirty.
I love it. Oh my gosh! Fatu came in close with our stool for the shoot today.
Oh, no, he matches the table.
It matches the entire setting. It was bringing it. I guess y'all whispering because it's like a secret.
What's up? It always feel like we speaking English. Hey, girls.
Wow.
Musically updated characters. What do you want me to do? Be a thug. Me and what? My girls are her. Come on. Yo, what's up? Come on now. Oh, let me take all the stuff. This is a music video, y'all. Get characters. Yeah. The clip. Take your time, girl. Yeah. Cause we got. What is going on? I'm hungry.
What is
Bust it down. I keep my brain busted down.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon.
What y'all eat for some more? That's the real question.
I only had bread, but she had 2 hours. Yeah. Okay.
hair was today?
Your hair was Bisoux, also known
Oh
as
no!
Bean. We gotta run that back. Your hair with Bisoux, also known as Bean, rocking the Modesty Princess. You know the vibes.
And let's get this party started. Okay, and walk in. Aww, so cute. Go.
Wait, I gotta just. I can't keep a straight face. Okay.
Perfect.
It's not that I don't want you.
Who's next?
It's not that I don't I know that I can make things clear.
Who's next?
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day.